Good afternoon, everybody. I am pleased to join this gathering. As a member of the European Parliament and chair of the Committee of Liberties, Justice and Home Affairs of the European Parliament, I would like to salute all of the participants of this conference, always committed to human rights, which means to me and for the European Parliament in all, equal rights. And that is an issue, of course, when it comes to Iran. Just this morning, we had a debate with High Representative Borrell on the situation on Iran. We made a point, yes, we stand by the European Union's position to uphold the so-called Joint Commission, which secures the understanding that proliferation of weapons will be deterred, will be prevented when it comes to nuclear, ballistic or conventional weapons as well. But by the same token, we insist from the European Parliament that the European Union must be significant when making the case of equal human rights, equal rights before the law in Iran. And that is something that is of the essence, particularly in view of the 2019 uprisings, where at least 12,000 were arrested. There was police brutality and repression, ongoing, always the same issue, repression against dissidents in Iran. Execution of the death penalty is also frequent and systematic as a punishment for dissidents. Discrimination against entire categories of persons. To begin with, women is also an outstanding priority for the European Union External Action Service and for the diplomatic efforts that are to be made to stop that from happening. Iranian women face discrimination, personal status matters relate to marriage, divorce, inheritance, child custody. Iranian law allows girls at 13 and boys at 15 to get married, despite the efforts to increase that minimum age that have been prevented by the Iranian leading authorities. Iranian law denies freedom of religion, as so many other freedom and fundamental rights. So we make a case by saying that, yes, we are making an effort to prevent proliferation of weapons and to stand by the agreement that made it possible. But we also have a duty, moral, political, legal duty, to stand up for rights, human rights in Iran, and particularly respect for dissenters and political opposition. That is why I can only salute this opportunity to spread this message on behalf of the Committee of Liberties, Justice and Home Affairs of the European Parliament. Wish you well.